Hi, my name is James with Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. Let me show you the most common causes for rat problems in your restaurant. Water. It's a critical source for rats and all living things. There's plenty of places to get water in a restaurant. Whether you left some water behind after cleaning the floors, or there's water in your drains. Often, the large open floor drains create a problem because they never seem to dry out. If you throw ice in the sink, they'll drip all night. So you've got to keep not only the sink dry, but the drains below. And you can do that easily by covering it with a grate you can get from your purveyor, or even putting a brick over the top of it. It may sound silly, but remember, you've got a rodent problem and they need water. If you have a rodent problem in your restaurant, I'm guessing you probably have asked yourself, what are their favorite foods? Well, the answer is simple. It's anything. And you can cut off everything you think seems delicious, and they're going to go to something that you would never have thought. Chew a hole through a jug of oil, eat your flour, eat a sweet and low packet. It doesn't matter to them. So you've got to secure your food. Dry storage, anywhere in the restaurant, right to the sugar caddies on the table. Keep it clean and protect your food to protect your restaurant. When you have a rodent problem in your restaurant, staffing is a key component. Not only are they going to help you keep the place cleaner, but you also have to identify key employees to directly help you with trapping and removal of the traps. You don't want to leave that to just anyone. Lots of people go home and talk about what's going on in their jobs, and rats would be a hot topic. So avoid anybody who may be disgruntled or new, and stick with the staff members who will be discreet and that you trust. If you own a restaurant, more than likely you've got checklists. Whether you use them or not depends on you. Your daily routine is pretty straightforward, or should be. You come into your business, you check out the crew from the night before, make sure you have stock of everything, and you've got a plan for the day for prepping and getting ready to open. Checklists are key. You need one to open your restaurant every morning. Even if you don't have a rodent problem, you need to know that the prep crew and the line cooks and the front of the house staff are doing their jobs at the end of the night, and your managers, which you pay well, are doing their jobs by double checking the process. Checklists are key. Routines are key, whether you have rodents in your restaurant or not. If you have or think you have a rodent problem in your restaurant, give us a call here at Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. We will discreetly help you as quickly and professionally as we can.